Hello, my dear friends. My name is Atisha Agrawal, and I am here to tell you the biography of Narendra Damodar Das Modi. 50 years before, there was a boy whose age was 12, and his home name was Narendra, and his friends used to call him Andy affectionately. Once upon a time, in the 1962, in the Vadnagar, his village was flooded by the water. So, and there were so many alligators in that, and no one at that time, no one had that much kind of courage to change the flag, as the time had came to change the flag.
Time had come.
Had come to change the flag. So, as I've told that no one was having that much kind of courage to change the flag, as there were so many alligators. So, Narendra Damodar Das Modi jumped into the river to change the flag, and by fighting with the alligators and the crocodiles. So, he fought with them, and he finally defeated them, and he finally changed the flag of that temple. So from here, Narendra Damodar Das Modi's biography had started. His full name was Narendra Damodar Das Modi. At that time, he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and the people wanted him to be the next Prime Minister of India. And as you can see, his pictures when he was speaking the many more pictures are there, and he was known as the Dabang of the Year at that time. Once upon a time, in his village, in the railways of the Vadnagar, his great grandfather had opened a grocery shop. In Hindi, we can say "Parchune ki dukaan." So his full family had continued that business. So his great grandfather's name was Maganlal Ranchhod Das, and his son's name was Mulchand, and Mulchand's son name was Damodar Das, and finally the third son of Damodar Das, Modi, had took birth, whose name was Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He was having 6 siblings. His eldest brother was Som, and after that Amrat, and he was the third, and one sister Vasanti, and 2 younger brother Prahlad and Pankaj. In here, his father had opened the tea stall, so that shop was. His son had continued that shop. He was having 2 ways that he can do in 1956. One way was very easy, and second one was very difficult. One way was that he can continue his father's business, like he can do chai lo, or second he can do something big, and he wanted to do something big. He wanted to do something big. So finally he decided to do something big, and he joined the RSS. And as you can see, his eldest brother was saying about him, and finally he joined the RSS. So the chairman of the that RSS, Vakil Saab, used to come to his father's shop to drink the tea. And we can always find Narendra Damodar Das Modi in the RSS dress. So nowadays, Narendra Damodar Das Modi was living in a very much big house provided by the government. But that time, he was living in a house that was made of stones, and its feet 40-inch, and it was 12 feet broad. And there were 3 rooms in that. In one room, his all the family members were sleeping in that, and for the cold water they use a pitcher, as the house was very small. So so the ladies of that house covered a particular place with a sari to bath. As you can see, he himself was telling about that how much struggle he has faced that time. So as there was the house was very small, there was not any window in that, and or not any door. So whenever her mother cooks food,
Her
the
mother or his?
his mother cooked food, the house was full of smoke. As you can see, his homemade kitchen, a homemade oven, and the house was very much small, so they use a lantern to lighten the house. This was the homemade oven. As you can see that his eldest brother was saying that how much difficulty that they have faced, and as I have told that he was the Dabang of the year. In the Vadnagar there was a river where he had learned how to swim, and he finally became a very much good swimmer
Of his area.
of his area.
Okay.
Once he had caught a crocodile or alligator, and he had took that
He had
he had taken that crocodile to his school, and he showed all the teachers, and they were very much scared of by seeing that, as he was the Dabang of the year at that time. In his school there was not any bench, so all the students sit on the bench,
Used to sit.
sit on the bench to study, and he was always fine in his RSS dress. And whenever he was upset and depressed, he sat on the particular place to remove that depression. He was telling about him, and his friends used to call him Andy affectionately, whose full name was Narendra Damodar Das. And in the Vadnagar, his father sold the teas, and once upon a time, he went to the library whenever he got time, and it was said that whenever Narendra Modi was missing, so you can go to library and can find him. And he was also glued to his book. So once he read the book of the Lion of the Vedanta, as you can see that his brother was telling that when he was missing, that you can find him to the from the library. And he was also having interest in laboratory, and he was very much excited when a chemical reacts with the other chemical to form a solution. And he was also very much uh, glued to his son, whose name was Misty. And at that time he was the chief minister of Gujarat. So his one man show was going there, as there was a show that's name was Pilu Food. And in that film, the director of that film, the actor of that film, and the writer was Narendra Modi. So that's why he was called the one man show. Once he had played a role of a son of the untouchable woman, and he became ill because and someone suggested her mother to get the yellow flowers from the temple. And then she went there, but no one allowed her to get inside the temple as she was untouchable. So when he returned from the temple, she saw that her child has died. So everyone cried. And in the second play, he played the role of the Chhatrapati Shivaji, Veer Chhatrapati Shivaji, and everyone was very much interested by that. Once a saint came to his home, so his mother showed the horoscope to him, to the saint of the Narendra Damodar Das. And he when after seeing that, he said that if he would go in a spirituality, then he will become a very much big or good saint. And if he would go in the politician, then he will become a very much big or great politician. So as every child was and excited to go in the party or weddings or festivals, but he was not like that. Once his family had to go to a party, but he refused because he liked to help the saint as compared to go. As you can see that his eldest brother was saying that. So that's all about Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nice, but not that.
Okay. You need to improve
Yes.
a lot, right? Although it was good efforts, but just little bit diffidence, right? You can sound better
Yes.
next time, right?
Yes.
And fluent. Okay, fine. But it was just the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
And yeah, by doing it again and again, you would be better. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.